what we've noticed work really well is having an agent that can actually qualify, have all the pieces of content that you can send to your leads, and have it do all the work. I'll show you guys an example. I think if you guys have been WhatsApp, let me show you guys an example here. This is from a client who we built this agent for on WhatsApp because he's in the UK, so a lot of his leads were using WhatsApp. What this agent does is it has essentially all the training around your offer and the context and the educational pieces of content. And then every lead that engages with your piece of content or that becomes a lead through your funnel, the agent is going to just start nurturing them, qualifying them, asking them, hey, what are you currently looking for? What are you struggling with?
My Gmail notifications are on. I'll get a notification. Oh, so and so is booked in. And I'm like, yo, what's going on? Like, this is it's so crazy. Like, I literally be sleeping or doing something crazy, and then I'll wake up and be like, oh, I've got 3 appointments booked in the coming days. It's been amazing.
I love to hear that, bro.
And so yeah, just been kind of booking them. I think what I've seen has been really useful as well is the kind of no-show slash rescheduling capabilities. So obviously here, yeah. So I had an original appointment with him on Tuesday. He let me know he couldn't make it. Then the bot asked to confirm whether it was cancelled, ended up cancelling, then just triaging some more, asking him some more questions, getting some pain points out. And then through that, went through a really smooth rebooking process because that's one thing that's obviously super difficult is if leads are cancelling and stuff, getting them back on
Yeah.
follow-up calls and stuff is quite difficult. But again, having something that's instant, like whilst they're responding, whilst they're letting me know they can't make it, instantly being able to connect with them and get them straight back in the calendar has been like gold dust because otherwise it's calling them back up and they're not picking up and then I'm messaging them, later and by that time. So this has been probably one of the most powerful, I guess, use cases I've seen in the past few days is that rebooking because it's done it. I think, let me try and find another occasion.
So boom. So not only does the agent essentially qualify, nurture your leads and book them, but if they also no-show, it will take care of the rebooking process. And you can give it access to as many videos you want to share because you know that like if a lead shows up on an appointment before they actually know anything about what you're doing, then it's just kind of like a waste of time on an appointment. So we essentially get these agents to have YouTube videos, longer format of content that they share. So the prospect will say, hey, I'm struggling with this issue. Okay, perfect. Hey, we have this quick video I can share with you that breaks down your bottleneck. Would you like me to share it? The prospect says yes. The bot sends the asset, and then once they've consumed it and they got value from it, it's like, hey, would you like to apply and actually see how we can actually help you implement this or solve this problem actually, as a service. So this is the whole kind of like entire playbook. Use a swarm of agents to find what's already currently working. Use recreate what's already working yourself. Or if you want to go slop maxing, token maxing, and just flood the scroll, go faceless AI, clone yourself or your clients, and then just flood the algorithm. Okay. Leads come in, retarget them, or you get reach, retarget them. If or reach out to every single one of them, like our client did, and convert everyone through the DMs.